Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Hadia and I am a student of grade 9. So I have observed many students of my age group who are suffering a lot because of their incorrect selection of careers. So I made my decision to make a video and help all my fellow students to select correct and appropriate career as per their future dream. Today we will talk about careers in biology. It is essential for the students of today who will occupy the position of leadership tomorrow to have a background in forward-looking and modern branches of science. Today, because we're talking about careers in biology, let me define you what biology is. It is driven out from two Greek words which are bios and logos. The word bios means life and logos means reasoning. So altogether it means reasoning of life, or the scientific study of life is called biology. There are many careers in biology like horticulture, farming, forestry, animal husbandry, medicine and surgery, and furthermore. Because we're talking about careers in biology, let me define you what medicine and surgery is. It is a career of biology. It is the profession that deals with the diagnosis and treatment of human diseases. For example, in surgery, part of body may be repaired, replaced, or even removed. For example, the removal of stones through renal surgery and also transplantation of liver and kidney. Both these professions are studied in the same courses of MBBS, and after that students can go for specialization. Coming to animal husbandry, it is a profession that deals with animals, but it deals with the domestic animals, for example cattle, sheep, hen, and furthermore. We can adopt this profession after higher secondary education in biology. Coming to horticulture, it is a profession that deals with the art of gardening. For example, a horticulturist works for the betterment of ornamental plants and fruits that we can gain from them. We can adopt this profession same like in animal husbandry after the higher secondary education in biology. We will talk about other careers in biology in my next video. Until then, please keep tuned up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.